So if we don't know the value of any number or anything, we take a variable on that, and that variable is known as what? Maybe it is represented as small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small x, small y, dot dot dot, small y, small g. These things you can write instead of this one. Okay, getting? Very good. Now Tanisha's age is x. Now T's age is x. Now what is Sanchita's age? Who can tell me? What is Sanchita's age? What is S?
Sir, x plus 5.
Very good. It is x plus 5. Why x plus 5?
Yes.
Because 5 years more दे दिया ना. More means क्या है?
X plus 5.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Now Ansuman says, I am in the group. Why you are not taking my name? So, okay, guys, yes. I will also take your name. So Tanisha says is we don't know. So that's X. But Ansuman's age is 2 years less than Tanisha's age. Now, who can tell me what is Ansuman's age? How can you know what is Ansuman's age?
Sir,
Yes.
n minus 2.
Where is n here? N to
X minus 2.
X minus 2.
2. Good. Why x minus 2? We don't know the value, exact value of Tanisha's age. Tanisha के एज के बारे में हमें एग्जैक्ट पता है नहीं, तो हमने उसके बारे में x ले लिया. x मतलब वेरिएबल है, जो भी चेंज हो सकता है. पर 2 कौन है यहाँ पर? व्हाट डू मीन बाय 2? 2 को क्या बोलते हैं हम? x तो वेरिएबल बोल दिया, 2 को क्या बोलेंगे हम? इट इज नोन एज कांस्टेंट. व्हाट डू मीन बाय कांस्टेंट? जो फिक्स रहेगा, जिसका वैल्यू कभी
Yes. Change. 2 is the constant.
यस. कांस्टेंट कौन है यार? 2 बोलेंगे तो 2 पेन, 2 चॉकलेट, 2 लड़के या 2 कंप्यूटर, 2 ही आएगा. 3 नहीं होगा, 1 नहीं होगा. इट इज फिक्स्ड, ऑलवेज फिक्स है ये. इज नो? पर x
Yes.
का वैल्यू कैन बी चेंजेबल. इट कैन चेंज. सपोज तनिषा का पता नहीं, हम देखेंगे. कोई बोलेगा यार इसका 10 साल है. नहीं यार, कोई बोलेगा नहीं सर उसका साल 12 साल होगा. कोई बोलेगा नहीं यार मुझे तो ये लगता है कि 8 साल का होगा. इट कैन बी, वी आर नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट. हमें एग्जैक्ट पता नहीं है, तो हमने क्या ले लिया? x ले लिया. तो x इज द वेरिएबल. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड?
2 is the constant.
Constant. And what is algebra? Algebra is the branch of mathematics which helps us to find the solution to our day-to-day problems. हमारे डे टू डे प्रॉब्लम्स जब हमारे पास आते हैं ना, उसको सोल्यूशन करने के लिए हम अलजेब्रा को यूज करते हैं. अलजेब्रा हमेशा 2 चीज पे खड़ा है. एक है वेरिएबल, मतलब 2 कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अलजेब्रा, एंड अनदर इज कांस्टेंट. इन दोनों के ऊपर ही अलजेब्रा खड़ा है. नाउ क्लियर? एनी डाउट्स नाउ?
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
Good. So keep all, just keep all your mics open so that whenever I ask questions, you have to immediately respond. Let me see who is giving more answers. Okay. Now, if I say, now, I found Anil, another person, who is 2 times, whose age is 2 times of Tanisha's age. Then what is Anil's age? Who can say?
Sir, can you repeat the question again?
Anil is another person whose age is 2 times the age of Tanisha. Then what?
Sir, x plus 2.
Anyone else?
Sir, 2x.
Very good, Sanchita. I said 2 times. I don't say 2 years more. What I said? Remember, I say 2 times. Times मतलब क्या है? Multiply करना. Right? 2 times means 2 multiplied by x. That is 2x. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Try to understand the question. Okay? Good. Okay. If I say just one thing, suppose there is a person called B. B is a person whose age I don't know. His age is not known to us. Right? But there is another person C whose age is 3 times of B and 2 years more. Then who can tell me what is the age of C? Suppose B का एज हमने Y ले लिया, suppose small y. Then who can say what the age of C?
Sir, 3y plus 2.
Good, very good. 3y plus 2. Why 3y plus 2? Look, y is the age of b because we don't know the exact age of b. Then we say the age of c is 3 times means 3 multiplied by y. First of all, 3 multiplied by y. Good. And 2s more means plus 2. Then it becomes 3y plus 2. Any doubts? Anyone?
No, sir.
Everyone clear? Okay, good.
Yes.
Very good. Now let me give you another question to all of you. Okay. Now when I was reading a question today, the question said, the question ऐसा लिखा था कि 4 added to the product of minus 3 and x. Who can tell me the number? 4 added to the product of minus 3 and x. Who can tell me what is the number? Yes, anyone? 4 is added to the product of minus 3 and x. What do you mean by product? Who can tell me?
Multiplication.
Very good. Product means
Answer of the multiplication.
no. Just divide the question into two parts. The product of minus 3 and x. Who can tell me the answer? Forget this part. We'll go to left. Forget this part only. The product of minus 3 and x. Product of minus 3 and x means? Yes. Multiplication. Multiplication means
Multiplication.
multiplied by x. What's the value? Who can tell me? Minus 3 multiplied by x. What's the value? Very simple. Minus 3x.
Minus 3x.
Clear? And
Yes.
4 is added to it. Added means?
Minus
Added means?
3x plus 4.
Who said minus here? So that is equal to minus 3x
Plus
plus
4.
4. Any doubts?
No.
Clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
and a question and try to answer this. Right? Okay. 4 times, be careful. 4 times of y subtracted from x. 4 times y subtracted from x.
4y minus x.
Let us divide this question in two parts. Subtracted from x matlab, who can say?
Sir,
From matlab?
4y minus x.
Okay. From matlab क्या मुझे बोलो? उससे?
Yes, sir.
उससे मतलब
Yes, sir.
x को माइनस करेंगे या x से माइनस होगा?
x को माइनस करेंगे.
Is it? Subtracted from x. देखो सोचो ठीक से. Subtracted from x means x से माइनस होगा. Getting?
Yes, sir.
4 times y means how much? 4 multiplied by y, that is 4y. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Subtracted from x. From x मतलब x से माइनस होगा. Now clear? So this is
Yes.
x minus 4y. मैं बोलूंगा x
Mine.
subtracted from y, तो y से x माइनस होगा. Right?
Yes.
लेस x लेस देन y मतलब x से माइनस होगा. Now clear? Getting?
Yes, sir.
You are confusing. Yes or no? Getting confused?
Yes.
Look, this is what I just wanted to do. पूरा बुक का सारा क्वेश्चन कर लिया. मुझे पता है कोई वीडियो नहीं देखा ठीक से. ढंग से देखो ना. You are not watching the videos properly, right? Okay. Good. So let me give you one more question. 7 times of x, who can say? 7 times of x? Who can say?
Sir, 7x.
Okay, now Sanchita will tell. B added to 5 times of A. Sister, can you tell?
Sir,
B added 2 5 times of A.
5A plus B.
Good, very good, sister. 5 times of A means 5 multiplied by A, that is 5A.
5A.
B added means add कर दो उसको. Then that is equal to 5A plus B.
B.
Getting? All of
Yes,
you?
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Next, Tanisha will say P times of Q. Tanisha will say P times of Q. Tanisha, tell me. Yes, Tanisha. Come on. Yes, are you there or not? Okay, Shweta will tell. Shweta, you tell. Okay, Ansuman. P times of Q.
P.
Yes.
P multiplied by Q.
वेरी गुड. टाइम्स मतलब क्या है? अरे यार 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 3 बोलते हैं ना हम लोग. उसका मार्क मुझसे 2 टाइम्स है, मतलब 2 गुना है हिंदी में. और क्या है? देन इट इज P multiplied by Q, that is equal to PQ.
PQ.
Getting? अगर मैं
Yes, sir.
लिखूंगा 3 less than P times Q, लेस होगा 3. आगे समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Means multiplied by, nothing else. Okay. Okay. Now, one question for Sanchita. I'm going to give this question to you. Y less than the sum of x and 3. Y less than the sum of x and 3. X and 3. Sanchita, you speak. Y less than. Yes. Yes, Sanchita.
Y minus
Y minus P.
P, where is P, yaar? I say y less than the sum of x and 3. There is no P, x and 3. Break the question. First take sum of x and 3. What do you mean by sum of x and 3?
x plus 3
Very good. X plus
minus y.
Very good, Sanchita. It's really
X
wonderful.
plus 3 minus Y.
X plus 3 is this part of the answer is this part. Y less मतलब कितना हो गया? इससे y कम है. कितना कम है? Y कम है. Then this is take it bracket. Otherwise you will confuse. By y minus y. So x plus 3 minus y is the answer. Now clear?
Yes,
Getting?
sir.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm not getting answer from Tanisha and Shweta. Okay, let them ask some more questions. Okay, let us ask some questions. Increase minus q by increase minus q by
Q by
9. Increase means what? Shweta, you tell.
add.
Add. Increase means add. Which two numbers you have to add? Which two numbers you have to add?
Minus Q and P.
Arey, this is 9. Why are you taking P always? Not P. Minus Q plus 9.
Q
plus
9.
9. This is the answer. Or you can say indirectly 9 minus Q. Getting? Getting?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
इसको थोड़ा अलग से देखेंगे थोड़ा. सपोज मेरे पास x रुपीज है. कितना मेरे पास पैसा है? x पैसा है.
X rupees.
I got some money from my other source. So it increased by 100 rupees. क्या होगा? Who can say? Tanisha will say, I have x rupees with me, but it increased by 100 rupees. तो कितना होगा तनिषा? Increase मतलब क्या है? बढ़ना.
Add.
100 rupees बढ़ा. बढ़ना मतलब क्या करना है मुझे?
Add.
Add. बढ़ना means add. I have to do add. So x
Addition.
100. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Shweta had A rupees with her, but he made some purchase. He went to market, bought a dress for her, and she thought, I must buy dress for my friends also. She brought dress for Sanchita, for Tanisha, for Ansuman, and even for me also. बोला सर को भी एक ड्रेस दे देता हूँ मैं, right? Okay. Now she made a decrease of 20 rupees. How can I write? She had a rupees, but it decreased by 20. Who can tell me?
A minus 20.
A minus 20. This is what you need to understand. What is increase, what is decrease, what is
Decrease,
times.
increase.
Now clear? Getting?
Yes. Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, good, good. Now I'm going to give some basic questions to you people. 5 multiplied by A. What is 5 multiplied by A? How can you write it?
5A.
5A.
Good, 5A. 5 plus A. How can you write it? Just
5 plus
5.
yes, it cannot be changed because 5 plus a. Look here, 5 is a constant, A is a variable, so we cannot mix them. अगर हमारे पास 5 plus 2 होता है, what we get? What do you get?
Sir,
yes.
7.
7. You see, when this is a constant, this is a constant, we get a new value. But when one is a constant, one is a variable, we cannot get a new variable. We cannot get a new value. It would be written as only 5 plus A. Clear? Okay. Now 7, 9 minus 3. Who can tell me what the answer?
Sir, 6.
6. Very difficult.
6.
बहुत difficult है यार. कैसे बोल दिया आप लोगों ने? 9. Now 9 minus A. What will happen? Who can tell me? कितना होगा?
So 9.
Sir, 9 minus 8.
Yes, there will be no change, absolute no change, because this is one is a constant, one is a variable. So one variable, one constant cannot be added, cannot be subtracted. They will remain same, right? Okay, like that. Suppose I say 5A plus 2A. Who can tell me what's the value?
Sir, the value is same.
Yes, sir, the value is same.
Same? Think more, Sanchita. Would you like to speak something?
Sir, 7A.
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 How 7A? Who can tell me?
Sir, common is 1.
Yes.
A.
Look.
Common is A.
Here A is a variable. Here also there is a variable which is multiplied. Addition से नहीं होगा, multiply से होगा. तो क्या करेंगे हम इसको? A को common ले लेते हैं. Then 5 plus 2. ऐसा किया ना तुमने पहले? Distributive law में हमारा number system.
Yes.
Remember? Distributive law में किया था कि नहीं ऐसे हमने?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So add distributive law. देखो distributive law भी यहाँ पे आ गया. तो क्या हुआ? Is equal to A को रह गया. 5 plus 2 कितना है? A multiplied by 7. That is equal to 7A. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Let me give you another question to you people. 9C minus 5C. Who can tell me first?
Sir,
9C minus 5C. What's the value? Quick,
Sir,
quick.
4C.
4C.
Good, very good.
4C.
How it happened? Same procedure.
Yes, sir.
Variable, C is the variable. So we take C as the common. The 9 minus 5, that is equal to C multiplied by 4. It is equal to 4C. Clear? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now again one question I will ask. Who will answer? Quick, I will check. Okay. We added 2 sum of 4 and x. Think and speak. Think and speak.
Sir, 4 plus X plus B.
Good. Very
Yes, sir. 4 plus X plus B.
good. Yes. Don't confuse. Dekho, I have made it sum of. Sum of means addition. That is equal to 4 plus x. And in this addition, we have to add b is added, means b is again to be added. Down this is 4 plus x plus b. If you open the bracket, this is equal to 4 plus x plus
X
b.
plus B.
अंडरस्टैंड. अगर क्वेश्चन सम नहीं होगा, यहाँ पर सपोज मेरा क्वेश्चन ऐसा होता, मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सम नहीं होगा, यहाँ पर होता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सॉरी, लिखा होगा multiplication. Then who can say?
Sir, 4x plus b.
4x plus b.
Good. Multiplication means I have to multiply 4 and x. It is equal to 4x. Then added plus b. Then b. Then this is equal to 4x plus b. Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Okay.
Sir, we cannot write 4xb.
Yes. I'm just giving you the steps. I'm giving you the steps.
Okay, sir.
Multiplication means you have to multiply. Then there is no need to apply the multiplication symbol there. Right? You have to write 4x only. But I am giving the steps so that you will understand it better. And once you are masters, then you can do it yourself. Right? Okay. Now let me discuss something more in advance. 4x divided by 2. How much you will get?
4x divided by 2.
Sir, 2x.
2x.
Good. 2x. How 2x? Look, 4x is there.
Sir, we should divide 4 and 2 and x is common.
Not common यार, यहाँ पर common नहीं है, variable है वो. It cannot touch by 2. तो
Yes, sir, variable.
common is different. Common is जो दोनों में होगा, that is common. Okay? Getting?
Yes, sir.
If you make like this, 2 2s are 4, then x is remaining. You can't touch x because 2 is a constant. So constant is divisible by 2 only. मतलब 2 constant can multiply, 2 constant can divide. But a variable cannot be divided and multiplied by 2. It will remain same. अगर तुम बोलोगे सर अगर 4 नहीं होगा, अगर हमारे पास x divided by 2 होगा, आंसर क्या होगा? What is the answer? x divided by 2. Who can tell me? 4 को हटा दिया हमने. Now बोलो.
Sir,
Yes, yes. अरे यार सिंपल डिवीजन मतलब क्या है? रेशियो बना दो इसको. Make it ratio. X by 2.
x by 2.
Because variable cannot be divided by 2. Variable cannot do anything to variable. It will remain same, constant, no more change. Now clear? Getting?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So if I say on this context, I would like to give one more question. That is 1 by 3 of y. Who can tell me?
1 by 3 of
Of y. Of means what? Badmas rule. Of means what? Arey, of means multiply.
sir 1x by 3.
Why x? Where is x here?
y 1x y by 3.
Where is x? x तो है नहीं यहाँ पर.
1y by 3.
अरे 1 मल्टीप्लाई करो तो उसका वैल्यू क्या है? 1 मल्टीप्लाई 5 कितना आता है? 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय y कितना आता है?
y, sir.
Then what you have to say?
y divided by 3.
Yes, it means look, the 1 multiplied by y by 3. Okay, but 1y is equal to y because you don't say 1 by something is 1. So y by 3, that is equal to, you can say y by 3 is the answer. Getting?
y by 3 is the answer. Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay.
Yes.
If I say 1 by 9 of 14b, who can tell me? Sorry, just a minute. Wait. One by 7 of 14b. Who can tell me the answer now? 1 by 7 of 14b. Yes? Come on.
14b by 7.
मतलब कितना होगा? You're right, 14b by 7, but it is final
2b.
14b by 7. Yes. Now this constant is cancelled by constant. Then this is 2 is equal to 2b. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now let us ask one more question to you people. आज का क्लास कैसा लग रहा है यार? How do you feel? I want everyone's answer.
Interesting.
Interesting. So next time I will not tell you theory. I will make video, send the theory. Only questions you will answer in the class. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay? Good.
Yes.
चलो देखते हैं इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट. किसका इंटेलिजेंस कितना काम कर रहा है? Let us see. Oh, please wait for a minute. I have to connect the charger.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I say quotient of quotient of x by 4.
Quotient of x by 4.
Quotient means what? Quotient means what? यहाँ पर डिवीजन होगा. ये न्यू टर्म है तुम्हारे लिए बिकॉज यू डोंट यूज दिस टर्म. एनसीईआरटी में नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हें ये. राइट? क्वोशिएंट ऑफ x by 4 मतलब कैन यू गेस समथिंग इन योर हेड? अगर डिवीजन में बाय होगा तो कौन नीचे रहेगा कौन ऊपर रहेगा यार?
सर बाय होगा तो
बाय 4 मतलब 4 के
4 नीचे रहेगा.
it means the denominator will be 4 and
4
x is the numerator. Now clear?
Yes sir.
Quotient of x by 4 agar if this term comes you have to say x by 4, right?
Yes sir.
Again if I say quotient of y by 6 you can say
Quotient of y by 6.
6.
Y by 6.
Good. Y by 6. Very good. If I say 1/2 of y.
1/2 of y.
अरे तुम्हारे पास बिस्कुट देते ना मम्मी कभी कभी तुम लोगों को घर में. तुम 2 भाई 2 बहन होते हो तो मम्मी बोलते हैं
1/2 y.
1/2 मतलब कितना है यार? 1/2. y मतलब कितना? मल्टीप्लाई कर दो उसको.
Yes sir.
y by 2.
Y by 2.
Now clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. So next we will discuss one more, and after that I will give you questions. 1/2 of sum of x and y. Think and tell. 1/2 of sum of x and y. Break the question and tell me. Who can tell me? Be fast.
1/2 of sum of.
Okay, I'm giving a clue to you. Break from here. You will get it. Yes. Go ahead.
1/2 plus x
Plus. Why plus here? Why plus? Sum of x plus y. Who can tell me what is sum of x plus y? Sum means what?
1/2
Sum means what? Let me clear this problem first. Sum means
addition.
addition. किस किस को एडिशन करना है? x and y को.
Sir, I got
x plus y. Now come to this part.
x plus y by 2.
Good. Now you understand. 1/2 of मतलब क्या है? मैंने बोला था 1/2 जैसे पहले क्वेश्चन में लिखा था 1/2 of y लिखा था
1.
y by 2 हो गया. जैसे 1/2 of sum of x plus y means ये पूरा का हाफ होगा मतलब 1/2 multiply by this then is equal to x plus y by 2.
X
Clear?
plus y 2. Yes sir.
Okay, now I will give you another question. 1/3 of sum of p and a. Who can tell me? 1/3 of sum of p and a.
PA by 3.
Think and speak. Once more. 1/3 of sum of p and a. I'm talking about sum of p and a. Divide it from here. What will you get? Sum of p and a means how much? How much sum of p and a?
PA.
Plus a, not PA. PA means multiplication. PA लिख दिया तो multiply हो गई ये. P plus A means sum of P plus A. P and A.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can I tell the answer?
Yes.
Sir, P plus A by 3.
Very good. 1/3 means how much? 1/3. P plus A तो multiply कर दो दोनों को. Then we are getting P plus A by 3. Very good. Got it? So don't say PA. PA means multiplication. P multiplied by A is equal to PA. But if I say sum of P and A, then that is P plus A. So this is the difference what you have to next find out. So getting? Okay. So for now, I have to stop because time is not permitting me. I have another class at night, 9 o'clock. So now I'm uploading question. Immediately you have to do it. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Do it. Just 10 questions only. But tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock, I will be sending question through iAcademy. That app. There you will get some questions, online questions that you have to solve tomorrow morning. Okay?
Yes.
Now I'm giving only 10 questions. Solve it and upload it right now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Sir, can I tell a short story?
Yeah, Sweta, tomorrow. Because I have some time constraint
Okay,
because
sir.
the meeting will over. The time is not permitting us, so it will over. I will allow you tomorrow. Right? Okay, very good. Just watch the WhatsApp group. I'm sending the question right now immediately. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you all and
Thank you, sir.
very good. Good night to all.